Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my flaxseed and clove oil for extreme hair growth. Yes, so in here I'm going to be adding my 1.5 spoon of flaxseed into my blender, and I'm going to be blending it to a powder. You guys already have a flaxseed powder. You can also just go ahead and use the flaxseed powder. So in my jar here, I'm going to be adding 1.5 spoon of flaxseed powder, and then I will be going along with 1/2 spoon of clove, and then I will be adding my extra virgin oil. Guys, you can use any oil of your choice, which is very fine. When it comes to my hair growth tips, I do like to stick with one oil. I don't want to go too much with, I don't want to introduce my hair with so many different oils. So I do like to use extra virgin oil and Jamaica black castor oil. It's perfect for me. My hair loves these two oils, so that's the only oil that I use a lot. So I added the jar in my hot water and I let it for like 15 minutes. So this is my oil. It has cooled down and the oil is ready. You just have to separate the oil from the powders, like from the rest. So here is my oil, guys. It's ready to use. This oil you can use use it as a hot oil treatment. You can also just apply it into your cornrows. You can use this oil in anyhow, like you can actually use it anyhow you want. You can put it in your hairlines, or you can also put it in your braid if you have a braid in your hair, or you can also store this oil for longer time for it to really infuse. If you don't want to stream the flaxseed out of the oil, you can also store the oil in a very dark place to even infuse more if you want. So this oil is very powerful. This oil is going to help you to grow your hair. It's going to help you to prevent your hair from dryness and from dandruff and all of that. So this is my hair, guys. Okay, my hair have been looking really dry lately, and this is the struggle that we get when our hair is growing. Yes, I guess you guys can understand me if you're having afro hair. So this is actually how my hair looks, and I can't even comb through. It's really like, it's so annoying, and on the other hand, it's difficult. Okay, trying to grow your hair like our hair, afro hair, it's not an easy journey at all. Okay, so it's a lot you have to do. You have to learn how to manipulate your hair, and you have to learn how to treat your hair, and you have to see the kind of products and oil that are good for your hair, and you can just go ahead and be applying them. It's not easy taking care of afro hair, to be honest. It's not easy at all. It's a lot of work. So here I'm applying the oil into my hair. I just want to cornrows my hair for like 2 weeks. So I just massage my oil into my scalp, and then I'm spraying my clove water, the clove and green tea and rosemary water hairspray that I just did in my channel as well. If you guys want to go and check it out, you can also go and check how I DIY this hairspray. And then I'm going to be braiding my hair for the week, like a week or 2 weeks or so, because I really don't want to manipulate my hair too much this time. So I'm just using my scarf this time to, you know, just give my hair some break and all of that. So yeah, when it comes to braiding my hair, so I've learned this technique to prevent your edges. You just cut it the way I'm cutting it here, and you can just start there in front to start braiding it, so that whenever you're taking your braid down, you don't need to have any detangles, or you don't need to have any dryness, and your hair will just go easily out, and you can really prevent your edges for breaking, of course. So yeah, I hope you guys we also learned that technique, and I know some of you already know that technique as well. So it has been helping me a lot to prevent my edges for breaking. So that's the reason why I'm showing you guys. So this is how I'm gonna be braiding my hair. It doesn't look good, okay? Laugh at me, okay? So I'm trying to be good, okay? So we are not going to any party with this, okay? When it comes to going to party, you can just throw your wig on top and you are ready to go. Yes, so you can go ahead and spray, braid your hair, and just give your hair a break. Give it a break, give it a time, and your hair will grow. So the oil is not just gonna grow your hair overnight. So the oil can grow your hair maybe after a month, or after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, you can start getting a good result. But just give your hair a break, talk to your hair, love your hair, okay? Spray any liquid that you know that you like for your hair, spray it into your hair. Just be consistent, okay? If you want to do anything, you want to grow your hair, I think I've been mentioning that a lot on my video. You need to be consistent. You need to be patient. Patient is just the key, okay? We need to be patient in anything that we do, and just, give it time, and then our hair will grow. So this oil, you can also use it for straight hair. You can use it for 4C hair. You can literally use this oil for any type of hair. I do use it for my baby girl's hair as well, and it's growing her hair really beautifully, and growing my hair beautifully as well. So yeah, and this is my hair. I just finished braiding my hair, as you guys can see here, okay? It's not easy, okay? Getting these cornrows was not easy at all, to be honest. It wasn't easy at all, okay? But I made it. It's not perfect, but it looks a little bit okay. I would say okay. So it looks a little bit okay. And I'm proud of myself. Me braiding my hair like this, doing my hair by myself, I'm proud about it. So just apply your oil, and you can give your hair a break. So this is how I make my oil, and you don't need to rinse it out at all. It's living in. Okay, so yeah, thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I really appreciate your love and support. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate your coming, and stay tuned in my channel. I do post video regularly, okay? You're not gonna get bored, okay? So hope to catch you in my next one. Much love. Stay safe, stay positive. Bye bye.